Hello guys, I just wanted to make a really quick tutorial on what I like to do when I first get into a Debian 8 server. So number one, I would like to start off by saying I'm running 64-bit Debian 8 Jessie, and I just did an apt-get update, and now I'm going to do an apt-get upgrade just to make sure I have all the latest and greatest. So right now we're going through getting a few different security patches here and there, just making sure that the distro is up to date, has the latest running software. The worst thing you can really do is to be running a server with outdated software. It's just not pretty and ultimately puts you at a greater risk of having your system compromised. In addition to that, I would really recommend whenever you are running a web-based system to minimize your threat by making your system obscure, and not only just obscure but inaccessible by anyone other than, for example, a CDN, some sort of intermediary between your browsers and your server. So you basically want to put something between your website visitors and your server, which is going to basically proxy the information back and forth. So Cloudflare is a great example. Cloudflare offers a free CDN service. I highly recommend, if you have never set that up before, to try setting that up, and maybe in the future I will make a tutorial specifically on Cloudflare, because I get asked quite a few questions from time to time about how I set things up, and really I guess it's easy, but if you've never done it before, I can see how it could be kind of different or not very easy to do all on your own. But anyways, let's go ahead and apt-get install. We're going to do Apache 2, yes. And once we get Apache 2 set up, you'll notice that over here in my web browser, I'm just going to tap the F5 key. Boom. Right now we have Apache installed. And next up, I am really not too sure what I'm going to do with this server, but I know first things first is I'm going to get the domain set up. So thanks for watching how I set up a quick server here. I'm going to go ahead and continue setting this up, put PHP on it. Go ahead and get some SQL server set up here so that way I can manage SQL databases. But other than that, I mean, this is just your ideal basic setup. I mean, if you really wanted to make this quite a bit safer, you would go through and harden the server, disable whatever you're not using, I guess what you don't need. One thing that I really like is HTOP, so I'm going to install HTOP. And there we go, we have HTOP. So that just allows us to see the processor usage along with the memory usage there. So I'm pretty excited though. I plan on setting up some sort of file hosting system, and thanks for watching. You guys have a lovely day, and don't forget to sign up on the forum if you have not already, r4p3.net. See ya.